Alright, after 2 years of trying to avoid it, I caught COVID-19. So that means it's time for an episode of Quarantine Cooking. On this episode of Quarantine Cooking, we're going to make some hot tea. So, step 1, get a tea kettle and warm up the water. Step 2, grab a mug and place the tea bag in the mug. Step 3, pour the hot water into the mug. Step 4, enjoy your tea. Oh God, that's hot. Oh my God. Okay. Step 5, wait for your tea to cool down. After that's step 4. Step 4.5, go lay down and rest while your tea cools. Step 5, come to find out that your tea has cooled too much and you need to reheat it. Step 6, clean up the microwave and eventually enjoy your tea. And this has been Quarantine Cooking. What? You didn't think I was going to entertain you while I had COVID?